Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of healthy eating with 3 powerful smoothies that can help lower your cholesterol levels. You know me, I'm all about simple changes that make a big impact, and these smoothies are just that. They're easy to make, taste delicious, and are packed with nutrients that can benefit your heart health. So, whether you're already watching your cholesterol or just want to add some healthy habits into your routine, these smoothies are a great place to start. Let's get blending. Alright, let's kick things off with this awesome green avocado smoothie. This vibrant drink is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly nutritious. Don't let the color scare you away. This smoothie is delicious and packed with good stuff. It's a perfect blend of creamy, sweet, and refreshing flavors that will leave you wanting more. First up, we've got avocado, a fantastic source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados are not only creamy and delicious, but also incredibly versatile. These fats can actually help lower your LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while raising your HDL, the good cholesterol. This makes avocados a great addition to any heart-healthy diet. Next, we're adding a handful of spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients and adds a beautiful green color to our smoothie. You know I love sneaking in greens whenever I can. Spinach is mild in flavor, so it blends perfectly without overpowering the taste. Spinach is full of fiber, which can bind to cholesterol in your digestive system and help remove it from your body. It's also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. Now for some sweetness and creaminess. A ripe banana. Bananas are a staple in smoothies for a reason. Bananas are naturally sweet and a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. They also add a lovely creamy texture to our smoothie. Finally, we're using almond milk for our liquid base. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that complements the flavors of our smoothie. You can use any milk you prefer, but almond milk is low in calories and naturally cholesterol-free. It's also a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Now, let's blend this all up until smooth and creamy. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined to get that perfect consistency. You can adjust the amount of almond milk to reach your desired consistency. If you like a thicker smoothie, use less almond milk. For a thinner smoothie, add a bit more. This smoothie is so refreshing and perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. It's a great way to refuel your body with essential nutrients. It will keep you feeling full and satisfied, thanks to the fiber and healthy fats. Plus, it's a delicious way to get more greens into your diet. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to lowering your cholesterol. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can make a big difference over time. Try incorporating this green avocado smoothie into your diet a few times a week and see the difference it can make. Not only will you enjoy a tasty treat, but you'll also be doing something great for your health. Ready for our next cholesterol-busting smoothie? Today, we're diving into a delicious and nutritious recipe that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also support your heart health. This one's a berry oat smoothie, and it's bursting with flavor and antioxidants. It's a perfect blend of sweet and tangy, with a creamy texture that makes it incredibly satisfying. We're starting with a mix of your favorite berries: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you enjoy. These berries are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Berries are nutritional powerhouses, packed with antioxidants and fiber, both of which are beneficial for heart health. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, while fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Next, we're adding some oats. Oats are a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes, and they bring a lot of health benefits to the table. Oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, a type of fiber that's been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. They'll also add a nice thickness to our smoothie, making it more filling and satisfying. The texture is just perfect for a hearty breakfast or a midday snack. For a boost of protein and creaminess, we're adding a dollop of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Greek yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, which is crucial for digestion and overall well-being. A healthy gut is important for overall health, including heart health. When your gut is happy, your whole body benefits, including your immune system and mental health. Finally, a splash of orange juice adds a touch of sweetness and a boost of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that supports immune function and skin health. Time to blend everything together until smooth. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined to get that perfect creamy consistency. If you find the smoothie too thick, you can always add a bit more orange juice or a splash of water. Adjusting the consistency to your liking is key to enjoying your smoothie. This berry oat smoothie is a delicious and satisfying way to start your day or enjoy as a healthy snack. It's not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized. The combination of antioxidants, fiber, and protein will keep you feeling full and energized. It's a great way to fuel your body and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Incorporating healthy habits like enjoying this smoothie can lead to long-term benefits for your health. Try incorporating this smoothie into your diet regularly for optimal benefits. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the health benefits of nutritious foods. Share this recipe with friends and family and enjoy the journey to better health together. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. Let's transport ourselves to a tropical paradise with this final smoothie, the Tropical Turmeric Smoothie. Imagine the warm sun on your skin, the gentle breeze rustling through the palm trees, and the sound of waves crashing on the shore. This smoothie will bring a taste of that paradise right to your kitchen. This vibrant smoothie is not only delicious, but also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to the star ingredient, turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Its bright yellow color is a sign of its powerful antioxidants. We're starting with a base of juicy pineapple chunks. Pineapple is not just a tropical delight. It's packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for your health. Pineapple is a good source of bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory effects. This enzyme helps break down proteins and can ease digestive discomfort, making it a great addition to our smoothie. Plus, it adds a delightful sweetness to our smoothie. The natural sugars in pineapple provide a quick energy boost, perfect for starting your day or recharging after a workout. Next up, we're adding some mango, another tropical fruit bursting with flavor and antioxidants. Mangoes are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Mangoes are a good source of fiber and vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is essential for eye health, while vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps your body absorb iron. Now for the star of the show, turmeric. This golden spice is what gives our smoothie its vibrant color and health benefits. This golden spice is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit heart health by reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been extensively studied for its health benefits. And for our liquid base, we're using refreshing coconut water. Coconut water is not only hydrating but also packed with electrolytes that help maintain fluid balance in your body. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte drink that's also low in calories and fat. It's a great alternative to sugary sports drinks and helps keep you hydrated, especially in hot weather. Let's blend all these ingredients together until smooth and creamy. The combination of pineapple, mango, turmeric, and coconut water creates a tropical symphony of flavors. You can adjust the amount of coconut water to achieve your desired consistency. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, use less coconut water. For a more drinkable consistency, add a bit more. This tropical turmeric smoothie is a delicious and refreshing way to boost your intake of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. The vibrant colors and flavors will make you feel like you're on a tropical vacation. It's perfect for a hot day or as a post-workout recovery drink. The natural sugars and electrolytes help replenish your energy and keep you hydrated. Remember, A healthy lifestyle is all about balance and enjoying a variety of nutritious foods. Incorporating smoothies like this one into your diet can be a fun and delicious way to get more fruits and vegetables. Cheers to your health and happiness. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 3 powerful smoothie recipes that can help lower your cholesterol levels. Remember, making small, healthy choices each day can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Stay healthy and see you next time.